Our next caller is Shamika from Macon. Hi, Shamika.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hey,
All right.
Good. Go ahead with your question.
Yes, my question is, I was injured in June. I went back to the job and showed them my restrictions. Well, I feel that I could have at least been a cashier. I was in training for management. And the manager told me, no, that this company would not allow me to work. I didn't hear anything for like a month and a half.
Okay.
And when I spoke with corporate, they got me back into work. But when I got back into work, they said some money came up missing, and they like terminated me.
Okay.
And I haven't received anything.
Okay.
Shamika, was there at any point in time during the claim where you paid income benefits for being out of work?
No, not at all.
And during the month and a half, were they paying your medical bills?
Yeah, they paid my bills. They paid the doctor bills, my physical therapy. I had physical therapy 3 times a week, and they paid for my medication.
And how long? When were you originally injured?
Like June 8th.
Well, I'd say, Shamika, you need to speak with an attorney. I mean, generally speaking, and what I think's occurred here, a claim, even though the medical bills were paid, that your claim wasn't actually accepted as a workers' compensation claim, and that might sound like it doesn't make sense because since they paid those medical bills, you'd think, and not just one medical bill, a bunch of them, and your physical therapy, you would assume that meant the claim is accepted. The reason it's not is the employers are allowed to pay medical bills, or insurers are allowed to pay medical bills without accepting a claim in order to investigate, in order to see. I mean, and if, sometimes it may not be quite as obvious, and one medical treatment or physical therapy might not allow the employer to know, or the insurer to know, if this is an injury that occurred on the job, or if this is a pre-existing problem or some other issue that they may argue about. So in the scenario that you've described, they have they've obviously paid the medical bills that were involved, but they've never paid an income benefit, so they haven't accepted your claim. The termination for cause is a defense to even having to pay income benefits if it's deemed that if the claim is later accepted. So I mean, something I think you need to speak with an attorney about. I mean, there's certainly some issues with your claim.
What sort of time limits are we talking about, Joe?
Well, to file that claim, that needs to be filed with the state board within a year. And in her case, the year of the last medical treatment received, no later than that.
All right. Thanks for your call, Shamika.